Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'll be making a very simple recipe. I'll be baking a turkey drumstick, some lentil peas and rice, some elbow pasta salad, some fried ripe plantain, and of course a good glass of juice. If you want to see how this recipe is done, stay with me to the end. Here I have a turkey drumstick, and I'm going to place some marks with a knife onto this turkey. This is going to allow the seasoning to work well into this meat. So I'm adding some salt, some water and vinegar, and once you add that water and vinegar, all the slime tends to raise up, guys, and you need to clean this. You don't want this at all. Make sure you take all of this out and get a nice clean meat. Once all the slime and fat has been removed, I'm going to wash this meat well, pat it dry with a paper towel, and set aside to start the marinating process. Now I'm adding some black pepper, along with some salt, some teriyaki sauce, and the last set of my homemade green seasonings. I'm going to leave a link below for the seasonings, and don't you be afraid to go in with your hands and rub this seasoning all over the meat. Make sure you go under that skin and place that seasoning there, and look at how clean and nice this is. This is how you know that your meat is well marinated and it's gonna be tasty and nice. Set aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I add some yellow mustard, massage it well, and place it onto a foil paper, making sure you wrap it well and that the juices does not escape. I did use 2 sets of foil here. Place it onto the baking tray and pop it into the oven and let it bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now remove from the oven and check it to make sure that it's cooked at least halfway. So here I'm using a skewer just so that I can remove the foil to prevent myself from getting burned. I'm adding some barbecue sauce. Feel free to add any type of sauce of your choice. You can add some ketchup, you can make your own sauce. That's all right. I'm going to wrap it and place it right back into the oven to bake for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now I have a dish with water and 1 cup of brown rice, 1/4 cup of lentil peas, and I'm going to wash them together, set them aside to soak. If you're going to use another type of rice, then I would suggest that you pre-cook your lentil before you add it to your rice. So once that is done and set aside, I have a pan with some oil over medium heat, and once the oil gets hot, I am going to add some finely chopped onions, some garlic, along with some ginger. Oh, and guys, kindly remember to check the description box below, okay? Once I place this in here, I'm going to saute this for about 1 minute or until the onions turn translucent. Now add the lentil peas and rice. And give this a stir, making sure that this fries right up in here for about 2 minutes. Make sure to keep stirring so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. So into the same dish that I had the rice and peas, I did add some water, and I'm going to pour this water into this pan just above the level of the rice. And if you want to have a very good textured rice, guys, make sure you do not put too much of water. So I'm adding some cubes for flavor. Stir it well, cover the pot, and let this cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking, this is what the rice looks like. Sorry, I did add some butter. I didn't show it to you, but that is for some additional flavor. At this time, I'll turn the fire down very low, place the cover over the pot again, and let this go. Now over here, I have a ripe plantain, and I'm going to peel the plantain just like so, and slice the plantain for frying. Cut the plantain into any size and shape that you feel you want yours. So once I'm done over medium heat, I have a pan with oil. And if you notice, I did not place the plantain into the oil when the oil was extremely hot. That's because I did not want the plantains to burn. So you want them to take their time and cook once they get brown. Just flip them over like this and let them get brown again on the other side. So now the plantains are done. I'm going to place it onto a paper towel over a plate just so that I can get the excess oil drained out from the plantains. Plantains are all brown and nice and set aside. Here I have my lentil peas and rice, all soft yet firm, delicious. Look at this, guys, loose and nice. Over here is a turkey drumstick, all moist and juicy with a beautiful brown color. I also did made some elbow pasta salad using cream cheese with some grated carrots. And if you don't have those ripe plantains, then your meal is not complete, guys. So here you have it, my lentil peas and rice served with some elbow pasta, some fried ripe plantain, turkey, drumstick pieces, and some mango and blackcurrant juice. So give this recipe a try, enjoy, and thank you so much for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, kindly please do so. Also click that bell to be notified when I upload another video. Thank you for coming in the kitchen, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.